It's Friday, July 14, 2023. Behind me is the entrance of the Athens Bar Association. Yesterday after the court I came here to follow up on my complaint about the lawyer who is once again not responding to my communications with him. By the time I got here it was too late. It was 4:30. They were closed. I couldn't find anybody that could help. I also have two other complaints regarding two other lawyers from 2019. So this morning I once again sent them two different emails. One follow-up on my previous complaint about the lawyer from Evelpidon who is not responding to my communication, and also another email about two of my complaints from 2019. That was officially launched. They were supposed to call me in. They told me verbally, but I have not received any communications from them in this regard. I will go now to follow up on both of those complaints and find out some updates. What is the situation there about both of my complaints, and if they can get a hold of the current lawyer from Evelpidon, because I need the court's written decision on the case he represented. So let's go inside and see what is going to happen. Hello. Hello. This is the disciplinary office.
You want to talk to Mrs. Madoubalou?
This is different. I'm asking now for the disciplinary office.
Alright, what do you want?
I sent you an email this morning concerning two of my complaints from 2019.
What? Two?
2019.
Today?
Yes, this morning.
Concerning what?
I follow up on my complaint. I was supposed to be called in for a hearing. I was told at the time verbally.
Following on after my complaints from September 2019. This one?
Yes, I have also attached the document, all the files.
Alright, you have submitted here a complaint against Electra, Leda, Koutra and Maria Chartokolli.
Yes, two.
Two different or one?
I submitted them at the same time, so two complaints against two persons, two lawyers. You have one, you can see the documents. I sent all of it to you.
Did you pay for the fee?
You can see, yes, I paid. You can see the receipt.
Your name is?
Nillufary Anwar. Anwar Nillufary.
Can you please repeat your name?
You can see my email in the same email that you just read to me now. Anwar Nillufary. You can also see it in the attachments.
Εντάξει. Επίσης. Both of them are acquitted.
Both of them are what?
Are acquitted. I don't know how else to say that.
How? Can you give me the when? What time? Can you give me the letter, the decision?
You better come on Monday when Mrs. Giannakariou, the lady next to me, she's on leave now. She will be back, and she was the responsible secretary who handled the whole.
What time?
After 10 o'clock.
No, excuse me, the decision, what time it was taken?
November 2022.
Why I wasn't informed?
I don't know, that's why you will have to see Mrs. Giannakariou.
Will I receive documents for their decision?
What?
Will I receive written documents for this decision taken on these complaints?
You get everything from Mrs. Giannakariou.
They will give me, she will give me?
She will give them to you.
Monday, what time? 10.
On Monday, after 10:30. That's it.
Can't I just send you another email, you send me the documents? So I wouldn't have to come again?
I cannot print this because it's a platform. What I see here, I see it from a platform.
Yeah, but you don't have it in the file. Do you have files?
No, I don't have access to the file because every secretary has.
She has the file.
She has the file.
She
yes.
can't she?
She will be back on Monday. She is next to me. You can see her.
Yes,
on Monday after 10 o'clock.
I understood. Does she has access to this email that you just saw?
Today no, because it's on leave.
On Monday.
On Monday.
Can she send me the documents to via same email?
All right, I'll tell that here. Okay.
Okay. So please make a note to notify her. And yes, I also wanted to see the other woman from Legal Aid, Mondivuli.
Madouvalou.
Yes.
She's on the second floor. I don't know which office.
Yeah, I was there, but closed, locked. The door was locked. Why? I mean,
I don't know.
it's not
Another.
it's not holiday. They are not off. They should be working, and it isn't just one
I
person.
am here. I'm not responsible for Mrs. Madouvalou.
So where should I supposed to go for this?
For Mrs. Madouvalou.
To find her, because their office is locked. Residence office, somewhere another office.
I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I can't help you in this.
Okay. So tomorrow on Monday, please remember to inform her
Yes.
if I didn't find Mandu today, I have to come
I
back.
printed your mail and I leave it on her office.
This is the text I sent. Can I see it?
The text you sent.
Okay, from today. Okay.
Okay.
So please give it to her, and in case if I didn't find Mandu today, I will have to come back anyway.
All right.
So I will also come and see her, just in case. I mean, if I didn't find Mandu, but please, you give this to her to send me the decisions.
Okay.
Thank you. To the same email you received this email.
Yes. All right.
Thank you.
Hello.
I have a complaint for the Athens Bar Association. I was looking for Manduvelu the last time.
You have to go at the 4th floor from here, left, and the elevator to the 4th floor.
Yes, but Manduvelu isn't at the 4th floor.
I don't know where is your lawyer.
It's not my lawyer. I'm looking for Manduvelu.
You have some complaints about lawyers. You have to go at the 4th floor.
4th floor where?
Left and right, the elevator.
Which office?
Τώρα πώς να σου το πω στα αγγλικά. Πειθαρχικό λέγεται. Πειθαρχικό.
Yeah, but I was here the last time with another
It's not
person.
the right place you were the last time. It's not here the right place. You have to go at the 4th floor.
Yeah, the last time the president said go to the Manduvelu's office in the 2nd floor.
The president is not now here, and you tell me that you have a problem with lawyer, so you can go at the 4th floor.
I don't have money to launch a complaint.
You speak with the lawyers who are at the 4th floor.
Give me a name.
It's no names, they are lawyers.
Give me a name for the office. The number, room number.
Πειθαρχικό. He has a number. Πειθαρχικό. Λέγεται. Πειθαρχικό.
Okay, can you also tell me what time, which day I can find Manduvelu?
Go at the 4th floor and you can find the people.
No, I was there right now. I'm looking for Manduvelu at this point.
It's not here.
What time I can find this person?
She doesn't come here. She has left. She doesn't work here.
There are other people working in the same office. 2 other persons.
At the 2nd floor. It's the legal aid. At the 2nd floor.
Yes, but closed. I found nobody there.
Δεν μπορώ να κάνω κάτι.
Where are they? Where I can find
Δεν μπορώ
them?
να κάνω κάτι, να σας βοηθήσω. Σας εξηγώ. Ανεβείτε. Go to the 4th floor.
Yeah, can you tell me when the other people from when the other people from the legal office will be
To the
here?
4th floor. Πηγαίνετε. Στο 4ο όροφο. To the 4th floor.
To the 2nd floor. I want to speak with the Mandoli. Mandoli is not here. There are 2 other people in that office. Their office is closed.
Ναι.
Can you tell me what time they will be here or why it's closed?
Συγκεκριμένη. Come at Monday.
What
she's here.
I sent you an email this morning.
If she's here.
I sent an email to you this morning. Can you respond to my
No,
email?
I can't.
Who can respond to my email?
Δεν θέλεις να φύγεις όμως και εδώ έχω πρόβλημα εγώ.
I sent an email to your office. Hello.
Είναι αυτό που προώθησα στο πειθαρχικό το πρωί. Αυτό είναι. Go to the 4th floor. Έλα λίγο σου παρακαλώ.
To tell them what? Can you tell me what time these people will be here from the 2nd floor office, legal aid?
We don't know. It's not
Who knows
now here. It's summer.
Who knows their schedule?
Summer. We don't know.
Who knows their schedule?
Nobody.
Everyone else at the office, only this person, and this is how the way you respond to my situation. I need to find these people.
Τέλος. Πάνω. 4ος.
This is the file of surgery I see here. So, this is how the situation is. I would love to come back again on Monday or Tuesday to find this woman for this footage. Hello.
Hello.
Σας ψάχνει από προχτές ο κύριος.
Tell us.
I have sent you two emails last week concerning
What do you want?
the lawyer previously that you put me in touch with.
I have not got any email, but tell me what you want exactly. Because it is not the first time that you come here, and I think that we cannot help you.
This is about the same lawyer who is now once again not responding to my communication.
What lawyer?
The lawyer previously you put me in touch with. I couldn't find, and you helped to find him.
I'm not here for finding lawyers.
Find.
Fine.
So now the same lawyer.
If you cannot have any communication with your lawyer, you have to go to the disciplinary body upstairs, not here.
So how was that the last time you helped me locate this person?
I don't know. I cannot remember. Maybe I did it once, but that does not mean that I can do it continuously.
Why? It's the same lawyer, same problem.
Go to tell to the disciplinary body. It is not my duty. It is not my job.
I don't have you also said at that time that you will be taking disciplinary action against this person. Have you taken disciplinary action against this person?
You have to ask us.
No, you
No,
said.
I cannot take any disciplinary action.
Your colleague said, the guy who is sitting here said, you will be taking disciplinary action from your part as well.
I don't know. I don't know anything.
Why you don't know anything? Did the information you gave me the last time was false? What does this mean?
I mean that I cannot help you.
Yes,
Okay?
can't you make contact with this person once again, same as the before?
Η φορά που είχε έρθει, είχε ένα θέμα με δικηγόρο που δεν τον έβρισκε. Ήταν αυτός που βρήκατε στο τηλέφωνο του και του μιλήσατε, και αυτός ξαναπήρε 10 τηλέφωνο ότι δεν θα τον αναλάβει και θα κάνει τη δουλειά που τον είχαν ορίσει σε μια υπόθεση που κανονικά το είπε και ο ίδιος ο δικηγόρος, δεν ήταν να τον αναλάβει για το πτέσμα που είχε. Και πήρε 10 φορές ο δικηγόρος και είπε: ναι, δεν θα τον αναλάβω, εντάξει, θα το προχωρήσω.
Πώς θα έκανε το δικηγόρο?
Δεν θυμάμαι καθόλου, πρέπει να μας το πει. Και ταυτόχρονα, πώς το λένε, είχε φύγει και τώρα ήρθε μετά από πολύ καιρό. Τώρα λέει δεν τον βρίσκει.
Πόσο καιρό πριν ήταν αυτό το πράγμα?
Θα το δω το email. Legal απεσταλμένα.
Ναι.
Απεσταλμένα είχαμε στείλει. The name of the lawyer?
Nikos Zisimatos. I sent you an email. I forwarded my communications to you.
Σε κάποιο χαρτί είχατε γράψει το τηλέφωνο του. Σε κάποιο χαρτί είχατε. Γιατί δεν του λέει να σας δώσει το κινητό του? Το κινητό του δικηγόρου, γιατί το είχατε βρει εσείς με άλλο τρόπο. Κάπως το είχατε βρει. Να σας πει το τηλέφωνο του δικηγόρου του.
Μήπως το έχουμε βρει από πάνω?
Εμείς από κάπου το είχαμε βρει. Όχι, το είχαμε στείλει email και σας κάλεσε και το είχατε σημειώσει σε ένα χαρτί. Ναι, αυτό λέω. Λοιπόν, να σας πει αυτός, θα έχει σίγουρα το σωστό email. Να σας το πει αυτός.
Τι φύγεις?
Όχι.
Από το κινητό μου του έστειλα, από μένα, όχι το θα στείλω από το legal, αλλά κοιτάω λίγο τα χαρτιά σας. Και εδώ ήταν χαρτιά και τα πέταξε.
Τα πετάξτε γιατί τα φύλαξα. Πείτε του να σας πει το κινητό του δικηγόρου. Εγώ ψάχνω.
Even if I can call him, And he communicated with us and said that he will continue your case. Now, for the second time, I cannot do the same thing. Either he has to go to the court and say, I cannot have, I cannot...
12 Μαΐου.
12 Μαΐου.
Από 12 Μαΐου τον είχαμε καλέσει και μας πήρε τηλέφωνο το μεσημέρι.
Για λέγε.
Δεν έχω το κινητό του, το είχατε κατοσημειώσει εδώ, απλώς του είχα στείλει mail και πήρα αυτός και μας σας έδωσε ένα νούμερο, το οποίο σίγουρα θα το έχει το παιδί να το στήσετε.
Do you have his phone number?
I wrote down his phone number.
We don't have any email for you, from you.
I can give you his phone number. Do you want it?
The phone number?
Yes.
The last time you sent him an email to get hold of me.
Our email is legal.
No, the last time when you established connection with this person, you sent him an email first because his phone wasn't working. So can't you do it the same?
It does not respond.
No, none of them?
None of them.
Can you send him an email like the previous occasion, previous time?
Έχουμε το email σε ποιο αυτό είναι, σε ποιο κλάδο είναι. Ποινικό.
Νομίζω ποινικό δεν είναι κυρίως, ποινικό ήθελε. Οπότε ποινικό τον είχα γνωρίσει. Ζησιμάτος, ποινικό.
Το σταθερό του ποιο είναι παιδί. Α, έχω εγώ.
Μένες φίλες, φεύγω. Αύριο θα φέρω στο πρωί. Φιλάκια πολλά. Γεια σας.
Να ρωτήσω κάτι, ποιο είναι το κινητό που παίρνετε, κυρία Μέρη?
6989.
Άλλο.
6975.
Και άλλο.
6943.
9777 και τέλος 6.
Ναι.
Ναι. Λοιπόν, το σταθερό σημειώστε.
Ναι.
210 97 30 037.
Τι είχαμε γράψει την προηγούμενη.
Παρακαλώ επικοινωνήστε μαζί μας άμεσα.
Όχι, είσαι εκεί.
Ναι. Το ίδιο το ξαναφέρνω.
Αυτός μας έχει απαντήσει.
Πήρε τηλέφωνο, δεν μας απάντησε. Πήρε τηλέφωνο, γράψουμε το νούμερο αυτό και μας πήρε εδώ.
Ξαναστείλει το.
Το πρωτόκολλο είναι το ίδιο.
Καινούργια.
Η πρόθεση είναι...
Ένα λεπτό.
Α, να το κάνω έτσι.
Ένα λεπτό, ένα λεπτό.
13, 5...
Τι γράφει.
Κύριε Συνάδελφε, θα είναι μαζί στα θέματα για το συλλόγο και η πρώτη πελάτη τώρα.
Λοιπόν, κύριε συνάδελφε, γράψε πάνω από αυτό.
Όχι, κάναμε email.
Όχι, δεν θα κάνεις νέα, θα το βάλεις και το άλλο μαζί.
Ναι, απλώς
Πριν από την πρόθεση.
θα το προωθήσω, κάνουμε καινούργιο.
Λοιπόν,
Κάνω καινούργιο email, δεν χρειάζεται να το. Απλώς παίρνω το κείμενο και μου λέτε τι θέλω να γράψει.
λοιπόν, κύριε συνάδελφε, παρά τις υποσχέσεις σας,
Να το γράψουμε αυτό. Δεν το κάνουμε εμείς αυτό.
Παρά-
Ξέρετε τι πρόβλημα έχω αυτό.
παρά τις υποσχέσεις σας, δεν έχετε ασχοληθεί.
Καθόλου δεν έχει ασχοληθεί.
Have you found him to the phone?
The last time you put me in contact with, I found him. He came to the court with me. Now I need him again to have the documents, the decisions from the court. I can't find him again.
Άρα ασχολήθηκε, δεν είναι ότι δεν έκανε τίποτα.
So I found him.
So, you have found
Yes, but
Okay.
once again he's
I
missing.
mean, we cannot do anything. He went to the court, and now we cannot send when you cannot find him on the phone to send him letter to take care of you
No,
again
no,
and
no,
again
no,
and
no, no,
again.
no, no,
This is
no,
not our
no,
job.
no.
but
It's
you
the same
You
call.
need to go to his office.
I don't know his location.
We don't know our office.
Do you have his address?
I would.
Δεν θέλουμε τίποτα.
Και το τηλέφωνο του είναι και το γραφείο του είναι ένα.
Μισό λεπτό. Ζησιματός.
Άγιος.
Δημήτριος, εδώ στον Βραχάμι. 25 Μαρτίου 85, Άγιος Δημήτριος.
Office or home?
It's far away from here.
Is it office or home?
His office.
25 Μαρτίου 85, Άγιος Δημήτριος.
Also, why can't you send him an email?
85,
Άγιος Δημήτριος.
85,
25 Μαρτίου.
March, ναι.
Άγιος Δημήτριος.
Και τι γράφει κώδικα εκεί.
Το βγάζει για το σύστημα, δεν το βρει.
Λοιπόν,
Γράφει και το σταθερό.
δεν ήταν παναή.
Καλούσε όμως.
Όχι.
Α, εντάξει.
Και παίρνει και το τηλέφωνο, το αριθμό, το κωδικό.
Το καπά.
Ναι.
Λοιπόν, 173-41. 3-41.
Και εμείς τι δεν μπορούμε να. Αυτός μας απάντησε, αλλά δεν μας έδωσε τηλέφωνο,
Σχεδόν έχουν παίξει το νιούσα. Μάλλον ένα από αυτά τα τρία σίγουρα. Ήταν που σας είπε ο άνθρωπος. Που σας έδωσε το παιδί. Αλλά τώρα να μου πάει στο γραφείο να τα βρω. Αυτό έχει κάνει ο άνθρωπος. Πήγε στο δικαστήριο. Θα πάμε να δούμε και αυτό το σπίτι.
Μας το λένε, Zisimatos.
Ζησιματός.
One of these three mobile was his mobile that was working, and we had spoken with him.
The last one. The first
last
one. The first one on the list. This is the one you gave me. I didn't have this phone number. What does this? It isn't working now?
Εκεί στείλει το email
Ναι, αλλά δεν μπορούμε
να επικοινωνήσει με τον άνθρωπο αυτό. Δεν πειράζει. Κύριε Τάδε, κύριε Ζησιμάτε, παρακαλώ επικοινωνήστε. Can you give us your phone number?
Yes, 690.
Just a moment.
Write it here. We will send him an email telling him to contact with you.
Okay.
And what is the problem? What do you want from him? He has been to the court and he finished with you. What do you want?
He's not finished. I need the documents from the court.
What do you need?
The documents, the decision.
Λοιπόν, αυτό το έγραψες.
Ναι, δείτε το εδώ.
Anwar,
And
Nillufary.
yes.
Nillufary.
Ναι, το έγραψα.
Ωραία.
Δείτε τι γράφει.
Για διάβασα, γιατί.
Write in English my name is.
Πώς.
Εδώ. Κύριε συνάδελφε, παρακαλώ επικοινωνήστε με το τηλέφωνο του πελάτη σας κυρίω Τάδε, κινητό Τάδε, διότι έχει φτάσει στο περιφερείο που δεν μας οδεύει.
Can you also write my email in case? Contact with phone or with email.
Εκεί που λέει επικοινωνήστε με αυτό το τηλέφωνο ή με το email του, τάδε. Έχει έρθει πολλές φορές ισχυριζόμενος, εδώ που λέει, ισχυριζόμενος ότι δεν μπορεί να συμβεί. Λοιπόν, διότι έχει πολλές φορές ισχυριζόμενος ότι δεν μπορεί να επικοινωνήσει μαζί σας. Παρακαλώ επικοινωνήστε με το τηλέφωνο του πελάτη σας ή με το email του, διότι έχει έρθει πολλές φορές στα γραφεία του δικηγορικού συλλόγου ισχυριζόμενος ότι δεν μπορεί να σε βρει.
Το τηλέφωνο μας το βγάζω.
Όχι, όχι.
Το στέλνω.
Ναι. We send your email, your mobile, and from now on you have to do with it. It's the last time that you come here. Either you go on the disciplinary or the body, you pay 80 euros and they will try to find him. But during August is everything closed, here or I don't know where. So you have to be patient and not come here complaining and complaining and complaining. We are not his family to try to touch him wherever he's going. Okay? There are
Athens Bar
forms.
Association.
There are forms. There is a disciplinary body, and it is not speak, send. It's not our family here. Okay, you have to understand all the procedure that you have to follow.
Okay,
We are an organized.
The address of the lawyer.
We are an organized society, and you have to follow the rules. Sir. Okay. Last time.
well, can you explain the address to me? Agios, Dimitrios. What are these numbers?
25 of March.
The 25 of March, δεν θέλω να στο πω εγώ, 85, and the street is 25 of March, just, I think that I have to write it in Greek.
Why in Greek? I don't understand Greek.
Two?
I don't understand Greek. In English.
If you want to
But
show someone.
the name of the street, you will not find it in English, in Greece. 25 Μαρτίου. That's the name of the street that you are looking for. It is not the 25 of March. It's my fault.
The email you wrote now, did you send it?
Yes.
You're checking?
Sorry?
You're checking us?
No, I want to
Okay.
know if the email was sent.
Where are you from?
Stateless.
What?
Stateless.
Stateless?
Yes. Stateless
What is your mom, your parents, your relatives?
Kurdistan.
Pakistan?
Kurdistan.
Turkistan?
Kurdistan.
Kurdistan.
Kurdistan. So you have some people who are organized here, all the Kurds, and you can go to...
No, I don't have anybody.
Yes, to help you.
I don't have anybody.
Yeah, it is not our job.
I need legal aid. It's Athens Bar
It's not our
Association.
job, sir. It's not our job.
It's Athens, when somebody has a
Last
complaint
time you
against a
go,
lawyer,
last time you come here to 88, 25,
88 or 85.
85.
Agios Dimitrios.
Agios Dimitrios. Yes.
What is this one? The street?
Agios Dimitrios is the suburb.
Can I have the other one? What is this PC 17341? This is postal
It's a
code.
postal code, yes.
So I keep both notes. And for the, if you heard back from this person, how do you let me know?
No, you will find.
No, you send him an email. If he sends you,
I send email to contact with you, sir.
if he replied to you,
Not with us.
if he replied to you, if
He will contact with you. He's not answering to us.
okay. And for the discipline, complaining to the disciplinary body, if I don't have these 8 euros, what are my course of actions?
You cannot find anything. It is not, you have to go to the president or to the body upstairs.
Yes, I know, but I'm
I cannot
talking.
help you more.
Yes, miss. I know about. I'm talking about this fee that I have to pay for the
Yes.
disciplinary body.
It is obligatory.
If I don't have it,
I don't know.
is there any solution?
It's the body, it's the board that will...
I have to talk to the board,
well, maybe.
the president.
I don't know. They will reject your complaint.
Okay, thank you.
And please don't come again. We have not anything else to help you.
I don't like to be coming here. I don't like. But this is not a situation.
What I have is the last thing that I did for you.
These are the disciplinary. This is the discipline of your lawyers.
Everybody is upstairs.
This is the discipline of your lawyers, Greek lawyers. Why I have to come here 10 times just to find him?
You go to
Several phone numbers.
Find your lawyer.
Yeah, every day changing numbers. Why? Thank you.
Not my place to answer.
Hello.
Hi.
Is the lady here?
Yes.
Should I go?
Yes, you can go.
Is she informed about the situation? Because I didn't receive any email or any answer. Did you pass the documents to her?
Yes, I think so. Go and sit there. No?
Hello.
Yes.
I don't know. I spoke with your colleague last week.
Ελληνικά μιλάτε?
Sorry?
Ελληνικά μιλάτε?
I don't understand Greek.
Πρέπει να έρθετε με κάποιον που να μιλάει ελληνικά.
I don't understand Greek.
Πρέπει να έρθετε με κάποιον που να μιλάει ελληνικά.
Well, I don't know what you say. Can you tell me what you are saying?
Translator. Ελάτε.
I don't have a translator.
Πρέπει να βρείτε.
I don't have a translator.
Χρειάζεται translator.
Well, I don't have a translator. I have given some documents to the other office next to you. She said she already passed those documents to you.
Ναι, έχει μπει στο αρχείο. Εγώ δεν θα κάτσω.
Να του στείλει την απόφαση του αρχείου. Αυτό ήθελε, δεν το θυμόμουν.
Ωραία.
Τι να πρωτοθυμάμαι.
Email.
Στο email του.
Email.
Το έχει στείλει
What
το
email?
email. Φαίνεται.
Εγώ email.
You send me an email.
Ναι.
When?
Αύριο. Tomorrow.
You will send me email tomorrow with the documents,
No.
with the decisions.
Ναι.
You were the judge to make a
Όχι.
decision.
Όχι. Email tomorrow.
Okay. If I didn't receive an email,
Email tomorrow.
please send me all the files. And if I want to ask
Translator.
why I was not called to testify,
Translator.
who do I see?
Translator.
I don't know Greek. I don't know anybody
Translator.
who knows English, Greek.
Translator.
I have nobody.
Email tomorrow.
What is this treatment? I have filed 2 complaints here.
Translator.
I was supposed to be called in to testify.
Translator.
Excuse me, Madam, Miss. Excuse me. I don't know. This is a lady that says translator, and I don't know.
We'll send you tomorrow the email.
Yes, but I'm trying to find out why I was not called in to testify before the decision was made for these 2 lawyers that I had filed complaints against.
Γιατί δεν κλείθηκε, λέει.
Γιατί δεν έφερε τίποτα μεταφρασμένο στα ελληνικά όπως του ζήτησε και πήγε στο αρχαίο υπόθεση.
Because they asked to bring everything translated into Greek, and according to the European legislation, we are not supposed to deal with foreign documents.
It's English, so my
The
complaints.
fact that I'm talking to you, it's up to me.
Yes, but so based on what you are saying me, my complaints was not processed because they are in English. They didn't process it.
Υπάρχει εισήγηση. Πες το, το στείλω στο email. Αύριο.
She will send it to you on your email. Okay.
Okay, thank you. It's Tuesday, July 18th, 2023. The office of the legalist said they sent an email to the lawyer supposedly to ask him to get in touch with me. I don't know if he will. And also, based on the information I found from the disciplinary office, it appears that they did not process any of my complaints from 2019 because I didn't submit them in their language, as both of my complaints were in English. And so, as you heard earlier, it's Athens Bar Association. She says she will send me the documents tomorrow, and I will see from the documents what are the decision and what are the reasons, what are the reasons for such decisions.